morning, as I got closer to the Horton Plains in Sri Lanka, I suddenly felt a cold, thick mist envelop me and everything around me. Previously that morning, everything seemed perfect. It was a blue sky, and the path in front of me was so clear, and I was so excited for that hike. But as I got closer to the start of the hiking trail, it all started to become so blurry. This thick mist started to envelop everything, and the trees in the distance seemed quite shadowy, and all the surrounding hills almost seemed like something out of a Monet painting. And as I stood there, being mildly confused at the sudden weather change, I thought, wow, this is exactly like the uncertainty in life. About a month ago, my mom kept telling me we should go see the something special in the Horton Plains. And although I was completely fed up of the exams, thanks to the Faculty of Science, I thought, why not go on this hike and see what it's about? And fun fact, I wasn't quite sure what I was going to see. All my mom said was, it's quite rare, so just come with us. Growing up in life, I often thought that if you followed the path everyone told you to, the path that people had set out for you, life would be perfect, and that uncertainty was not something I should have ever been concerned about. When I was doing O levels, it always used to be like this: Buddha, do your best because this is the most important exam in your entire life. Then I started doing A levels, and you know what? I heard the exact same words, this time about the A level exam. But in 2020, something interesting happened. The COVID-19 pandemic hit us all, and the mist of uncertainty enveloped us all globally. Overnight, for me, classrooms turned into Zoom sessions, and the friends that I had talked to every single day turned into pixelated squares on a small desktop. Study sessions turned into Zoom lag sessions and WhatsApp note sharing. And this was my first experience with the mists of uncertainty. And it was completely isolating and terrifying. But because of the length of COVID 19, it was something that I eventually learned to accept and embrace in my life. Fast forward to university, where I now thought that I was a strong, capable young woman who was completely proficient at accepting the uncertainty in life. Well, the joke was on me, because when I got into my first year of university, I, like most of my peers, became obsessed with getting into a certain special degree program. And because of my obsession, I spent the next 2 years working so hard to get into that special degree program. Fast forward to 2025, where it was finally time for me to find out if I got into that special degree program. And when the elusive special selection list, was about to be released. However, yet again, the mists of uncertainty hit me because this selection list kept getting delayed. Not once, not twice, but multiple times. And as it kept getting delayed, I felt that familiar mist surround me again. But this time, as an adult, I tried to change my perspective and accept and embrace the foggy mists that are always in front of us. Eventually, while I did get into the degree program that I so desperately wanted, this time my greatest victory was not in getting into that special program, but it was accepting that sometimes there will always be a mist that comes out of nowhere and blurs the path in front of you. You may always think that you have your path set clearly in front of you, that it's all going to be a sunny trail. But trust me, there will always be some sort of mist that comes and envelopes everything around you and blurs the path in front of you. which brings me back to that morning in Horton Plains. After hours of hiking in the cold, dense mist, I finally got into a place and saw something glistening in the distance. At that moment, the mist started to slowly fade away, and there, in all its true glory, I saw the beautiful Nelu flower, the elusive flower that blooms only once every 12 years in the Horton Plains of Sri Lanka. So magnificent, so utterly beautiful, and a sight that I would not have seen had I hesitated to walk through that mist that day. So now, every time I am faced with the mists of uncertainty, I remind myself of this beautiful Nelu flower because it's a constant reminder to me that no matter what, sometimes walking through the mist is what brings us the most beautiful, picturesque scenes. Thank you.